my black embroidered knit Compose Robe. This is a size large here and then extra large on the hips. I really wanted to have space there for it to overlap. For the sleeves, I added 1.5 inches to the length for them to be the right length for me, and around this section I added 1 inch to the length. I would probably just wear this open all the time. I never really tie anything up. So that's how it looks tied up. There's a nice little overlap here at the hips to cover everything, and I really like the look of this robe. It's very different, not what you would expect. I don't have access to typical robe type fabrics, snuggly ones, so I used what I could find, and I really like the look of this. Here you can see the bottom part of the robe. That's how that looks. This was hemmed before sewing on the band, and the band is finished at the bottom there super neatly, and I didn't top stitch mine. I really hope you can see the texture of this fabric, and the look is so beautiful. It's not just a black fabric, it's got little holes everywhere and embroidery on it. It's so pretty. Up on the top you can see the fit of the shoulder and sleeve is super nice. It's not sloppy or anything, it's just super good fit for a robe. I love having clothes that fit really well even if it is a robe. So I'm very happy with the fit of the shoulders and the neckline here. The band has a really good width. It lies really nicely here on the chest. Really, really like it.